Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change your Instagram username in mobile. So if you want to change your Instagram username, but you don't know how to do it, I'll show you guys exactly how to do it in this video today. So it's really easy to change your username, but first things first, you have to head over to the Instagram app. So just click on the Instagram app and it will bring you to the home page here. This is the profile page, but it will bring you here. Now from here, you want to click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. If you do that, then it will bring you to your profile page. And once you go to your profile page, it should look like this right here. On your profile page, you want to look for the option that says Edit Profile. It should be near the middle of your screen and right below Highlights. Once you find the Edit Profile option, you're going to want to click on it. If you click on it, then it will bring you to the Edit Profile page, just like right here. So just click on it and it will bring you right here. From this Edit Profile page, you want to look for the username section. As you can see, this profile's username is Tubasa Techie, so you want to click on that right there. You want to choose the username section, and once you choose it, you can change the username to whatever you want. You have 14 days to revert it back to your old username without any penalties or anything like that, but you can choose whatever your new username, whatever you want your new username to be. Keep in mind that if you choose a username that's already taken, it won't allow you to use it. So choose a username that isn't taken, and then once you do that, you can just click Done in the top right corner of the screen, and it will save your new username. Now, as you can see here, if I go back to my profile, it's now Tubasa Techman instead of Tubasa Techie. But let's say I want to change it back to my previous one. All you have to do is change it back to your previous username. Keep in mind that if you want to change your username after you just changed it to a new one, and you want to change it to another new one, you won't be able to do that for 14 days. You can only change it back to your old username. But that is how you change your username on Instagram in mobile. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.